Welcome guys, this is .NET Gyan YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a Ghibli image which is now storming the internet in today's media. So currently I will tell you how to get that Ghibli image from the uh, Gemini Flash 2.0 model. With small prompt. I have designed one prompt which actually generates the Ghibli image from the referenced image. So let's start the implementation. For that you just need to go to aistudio.google.com. You can sign up using your Gmail account. So in AI Studio you just need to go to uh, the create prompt. Once you go to create prompt, you just need to put one prompt which I have just designed. You are expert image converter who converts a real image into Ghibli art image by understanding the given real image step by step without any assumption. I have given a persona here what the model should do, and I have given one prompt that please create attach image into Ghibli image. So let's copy this prompt, paste into the prompt section. Okay, I have used the Gemini Flash 2.0 image generation model where I will upload a file. I have uploading the file. Let it be uploaded and just hit the run. Oh, it is hallucinating right now. Again, we will try again. Sometime it hallucinates. Again, we'll try. Let upload again. Okay, so hit the run again. You can see it is now generated the Ghibli image with referenced image. So this way you can get a Ghibli art image from uh, Gemini 2.0 Flash model with small prompt. If you like the video, please like it and share it if you want to share this video. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to channel. Thank you.